So now in this video, we are going to learn about the tables in Power BI. So first of all, let me explain what is the table dashboard in Power BI. So a table is a grid that contains logical series of rows and columns. We all know that the table contains the rows and columns. So it may also contain the headers, that means headings of the table, and the rows for the columns mainly contains the headers and the rows for the totals. Okay. In the rows, you can display the values and details also. And creating tables and reports that mainly focuses on the individual cells and cross highlights. You can copy and paste the tables as you like, as much as you like. And so the process of the table in Power BI we are going to learn today. Okay. How to create the table dashboard, how to import the data into the table dashboard, how to format the table in Power BI. Okay. So that all we are going to learn. So when to use the table in a Power BI means whenever you want to compare the detailed data and of the exact values, you can use this visual. And to display the data in a tabular format and to display the numerical data by categories, you can use the table. Okay. So let's go into the process now. So for every visualization chart, you need the data in the data field. I imported the data using the get data Excel field. Okay. From the Excel sheet 1, we are having the data like this, the table of the data. Okay. These are all the columns of the table. So let me explain the table. Once you click on the table, it will be appeared in the report. So let me maximize this. Let me increase the size of this. So what are all the columns you need? You can select in the data field pane. Here you can see the summarize symbol. If you don't want the count, you can click on don't summarize. Once you click on right click here, there will be the don't summarize option. So here also it displays the data, but finally it shows the count like this. It will not show the individual IDs of the student. It is the student's data. So let me see, once you click on that, here you can go and click on don't summarize. That means don't summarize. You'll get all the student IDs. See, you can observe here, you get all the student IDs. So let me take remaining columns of the data like gender, grade, group, place, and the student name. You can take in a order, but I'm explaining the sample table, no? So I'm not taking in a order, no problem. So this is the table. For this table, we are going to do the formatting. So style presets, grid. If you want the grid, the width will be increased. You can observe in the left side report, the width will be increased of the table. So vertical grid lines. You can also give the color for that. So you can click on first of all, and then you can give, let me give the black color for the table. So for the vertical grid lines also, I'm giving the black color. So let me decrease the size of the width. And for this also, I'm giving the black color. If you want, you can give the borders, visual borders for the table. So here the border is there. So top, bottom, left and right border options will be there. So those will be displayed. You can give the color for the table. So this is the line color. I'm just giving blue to differentiate whether it is changed or not. Yes, it is changed to sky blue to blue. You can give the text values. So once you click on bold, the values will be changed into the bold. And you can give color for the values. Like I'm giving the green color. Let me give the dark color. Okay. 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 It is changed. So once you click on focus mode, it will be shown like this. Okay. So once you click on the column headers, it will be changed. These are about the student ID, gender, grade, place, student name. Here I want to explain you one another point. Once you click on the column header, this option is there. Na? Once you keep clicking on that, it will be change the orders. So from ascending to descending, see, it is from descending to ascending. Now again, ascending to descending. Here, it will be, if it is in an alphabetical order, it will be changed to A to Z and Z to A sorting order. Okay. So this is the use of the column header. By clicking on this, it will be changing the ascending, descending order and the sorting of A to Z and Z to A. So, and next, let me give the column headers background color. So, like sky blue. Yeah, it is changed. Okay. The text of the column header will be in the bold. So for highlighting, I have given the bold. And next, this table dashboard is also known as the matrix dashboard. There will be two dashboards, table dashboard and matrix dashboard. Almost the same features will be there. You can change the text size here, colors, fonts, and background colors. Alignments also you can change here. Text alignments. Okay. So this is all about the table dashboard. In the same way, you can do for the matrix dashboard also. So this is the matrix dashboard. It will be simply converted. So you can rename the page here. So this is all about the table dashboard. In the next video, I'm going to explain how to do the conditional formatting in the table. Okay. So keep on watching. Thank you.